back to another video. If y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
You tell me I'm toxic, but you love me that way, that way. And girl, I be missing you, but just not today. I really miss kissing you, girl, what's the place? Tell you that I love you, just to make you stay. You tell me I'm toxic, but you love me. And girl, I be missing you, but just not today.
Who is she? Do you know who she is? Because I don't know who she is. Oh, this is a pretty color.
Just to make you stay.
And then luxury here. It is raw but 100% human hair, good quality, professional service, fast shipping. The last part is facts. The shipping was so fast. Upside down. I feel like it's upside down. But anyways, this is their WhatsApp. This video is not sponsored. They should sponsor me. That's my period. But this is their WhatsApp information, their email. Baby girl, what are you doing with your man? I'm gonna make my part. I think it's a Wednesday. Yeah, today's a Wednesday because tomorrow I have work and tomorrow's a Thursday. So this is my part. It's not very good, so I'm gonna pluck it. It's straight, right, guys? Yeah, I think it's straight. We're just gonna pluck it a little bit. We're gonna put some mousse. See, now I look like a baby. Like, everybody gonna be like, oh my god, you change your hair every time. Oh my god. I'm like, bitch, mind your fucking business. That is none of your business. But they really be trying to play me. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, keep the same hairstyle like my entire 4 semesters of fuck.
You tell me I'm toxic, but you love me that way, that way. And girl, I be missing you, but just
I see some people do like this. It's like easier because I don't have the time to waste. Oh my god, this is why I don't really like hair. Because it's getting everywhere. This density. Okay, let's talk about the hair. Like, y'all probably be like, bitch, are you gonna talk about the hair or are you gonna like put it through? Okay, so the hair is 22 inches. It comes right here. It is 130 density. They have other options, but I like 130 because I feel like 150 is gonna be too poofy, and I hate when the hair is poofy. Like right now, I don't really like it, but it's okay. You know how it's extremely poofy, and I'm like, no. So let's see. This is only water. So yeah, I was gonna get my lashes done today. Like, this nigga was telling me it was $100 for my lashes. So I was like, ¿qué? ¿Cuánto? Like $100. I was like, alright, how much for regular? He was like, it's $30, but we can't do it today. We gotta do it Sunday. So I'm like, why? He's like, the person that does this is not here today. I'm like, so can't you do it? It's like, the person that does it is not here. So I was like, alright, best. Okay, the fuck, this is ready. Shit is hot as a motherfucker. Ooh! Oh my god.
And girl, I be missing you, but just not today. I really miss kissing you, girl, what's the
But because I want to cut the nails off so you guys can I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna put it back on later, so don't play with me.
And girl, I be missing you, but just not today. I really miss kissing you, girl, what's the place? Tell you that I love you just to make you stay. You tell me I'm toxic, but you
So guys, thank you for watching. I'm about to fix the hairline, like rub it off with some alcohol and stuff. But this is the end of the video. As you can see, the curls are popping. This hair is everything and more. So go check them out on Instagram, Luxurious Hair Store. And that's on period. I love you guys. Make sure to comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notification, and I'm gonna be back with another video
tell
soon.
me I'm toxic, but you love me that way, that way.
Even though I always get copyrighted, but it's okay. And I'm gonna head out.
Missing you,